Heating up of silencer. When you ride your motorbike to its full speed and stop it for a while, you will observe that its silencer will be heated. It happens because while riding, the kinetic energy increases due to the atoms' rapid movement that produces thermal energy. Rubbing your hands. When you rub your hands continuously for more than 10 or 15 minutes, you will feel the warmth on your palms. The motion of particles present in your hands when you rub them against one another creates friction that increases the activity of atoms and its kinetic energy that gradually produces thermal energy that you feel as warmth. Heated windows. If it is a hot sunny day, it will heat the windows of your house, office, or buildings. The warmth you feel from the windows is due to the quick motion of molecules in the window that possess kinetic energy due to their activity and slowly start to produce heat converted into thermal energy. Heated seats of the vehicle. Even the seats of your vehicle get heated up when the object's kinetic energy gets converted into thermal energy. It happens when the movement of molecules in the things gains speed and moves randomly and gets collide. After the collision, they release an ample amount of energy called thermal energy that leads to the cause of warmth that we experience from the seats. A hot cup of any beverage. Even in the case of any hot cup of beverage, we experience its hotness due to the conversion of kinetic energy into thermal energy. The molecules, while moving, possess kinetic energy, and after their rapid movement, they experience collision that leads to the heat produced by molecules. It is an excellent example of kinetic to thermal energy. Baking in the oven. When you keep any cold items in the oven to heat up and switch them on, you get piping hot food from the oven after a while. Here what happens is the increase in temperature of the oven speeds up the motion of particles that collide and release thermal energy. Swimming pool in summer. Even it is similar in the case of a swimming pool on a hot summer day, the fast motion of water molecules leads to the collision of particles against one another, producing thermal energy. Boiling water. One of the best kinetic to thermal energy examples is boiling water or any liquid. When you place a pan filled with water to get heated up, the particles in the water move very rapidly, which leads to boiling and producing thermal energy. We can observe its rapidity at a microscopic level. Moving van. When you drive a van to its full speed and stop it for a while, you will observe that its tires and the outer part will be heated. It happens because while driving, the kinetic energy increases due to the atoms' rapid movement that produces thermal energy. Heating of a car engine. When you drive your car to its full speed and stop it for a while, you will observe that its engine part will be heated. It happens because while driving, the kinetic energy increases due to the atoms' rapid movement that produces thermal energy. If the engine is not cooled at the proper time, it will lead to some effects. Volcanoes. Even the volcanoes are good examples of kinetic to thermal energy. The external factors make the molecules of lava move randomly. In this process, they collide, producing thermal energy. It is the reason why the volcanic regions are highly heated up. Heaters. Even the heaters are the best example of kinetic to thermal energy. When you switch it on, the water particles start to move here and there and collide against one another, leading to the generation of thermal energy. The particles' movement generally possesses kinetic energy that later converts into thermal energy. Television. If we keep on watching the television continuously for a while, we feel that we'll heat the setup box of the television. Even it causes the conversion of kinetic to thermal energy. The kinetic energy of the molecules gets converted into thermal energy when they get to collide. Mobile phones. If we continuously use the mobile phone for a while, we feel that the mobile phone is getting heated up. Even it causes the conversion of kinetic to thermal energy. The kinetic energy of the molecules gets converted into thermal energy when they collide. Cooking. One of the prominent examples of kinetic to thermal energy is cooking food. When you place a pan filled with any ingredients, it gets heated up. The particles in food items move very rapidly, which leads to boiling and cooking, leading to the collision of atoms producing thermal energy. We can observe its rapidity at a microscopic level. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). How does kinetic energy get converted into thermal energy? Kinetic energy gets converted into thermal energy when there is a rise in the object's temperature. When you heat any substance, the kinetic energy increases due to random and rapid movement of all the particles. During this increase in motion, they collide and produce thermal energy. Both the temperature and thermal energy are proportional to one another. Difference between thermal and radiant energy? The significant difference between radiant energy and thermal energy is given below. The name radiant only refers to the energy released by the particles due to waves, radiations, etc. At the same time, thermal energy is produced due to temperature increases and the collision of particles. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.